Hi guys, welcome to a new vlog. The morning time, we're taking Maven out. We're gonna watch a movie, go walking downtown. A little bit later and we are heading downtown. Finished watching Silent Night, Deadly Night, and I kind of forgot how traumatic it is to watch. So if you watch it, take caution. So we are going to park behind Witch City Mall, and we just kind of wanted to come down here and walk for a little bit. Didn't work out today this morning, so we're gonna consider this little walkie walk our little exercise. I'll try to get some glimpses of Salem for you guys. I know that's all you want to see, and I know I don't give it to you enough, so I'm gonna do my best as long as my hands don't freeze. Jody B's. Check it out if you guys ever come visit. Great vegetarian and vegan treats. Tie-dye. Sweet baby. Oh. Hi. Good. How are you guys? Hi guys, so it's Christmas Eve. All the gifts are under the tree. Just joking. So I was talking about doing some Christmas baking, and some of you guys, well, only one person was like, hey, do you think you'll do your baking in a video? So I'm gonna make 2 different Christmas treats and I'm gonna vlog it. Going to make like a Christmas truffle, but it's really like a cake pop, but not. Wanted a really something easy one to do, and so I'm just doing the pretzel where you put the little Hershey Kiss and little M&M and you melt it and throw some sprinkles on it and call it a day. It's nice because I want to bake all of these things, but then I feel obligated that I need to eat them all so they don't go to waste, but I don't want to eat them all, and sweets aren't really my jam, but they won't go to waste because this guy right here will eat them all. I think we're gonna listen to some Christmas records. Got some snacks yesterday too. I've never tried this dip. It's called Hell of a Good Dip, French onion. Enjoying it with these kettle cooked potato chips, sweet and spicy jalapeno. These are so good. We also went to Goodnight Fatty. Plenty of cookies. Oh! They're amazing. This is my favorite, although I haven't tried any of the other ones. We went to the liquor store a few weeks ago, and there's this brand that I'm really liking. It's called Two Chicks, and it's like the pre-made cocktails in these cans. This one is really good. It's sparkling vodka fizz, vodka, elderflower, and pear. I wish I had some like pretty fruits and flowers to put in this. This smells and tastes so good. Look at this little plant that Joe picked up from the grocery store. Where shall we put this? On the coffee table maybe? Kind of messy. I should have cleaned it yesterday. Raven's being a good girl. We're running down on the syrups, like the Christmas ones anyway. Found these. I've never tried this brand before. This is the fancy mix. Sugar-free, 0 calories. This is white chocolate mocha. This one is toasted marshmallow. Starting with the Christmas truffles, I went ahead and measured everything out. You can do this with any kind of holiday. You can add food coloring to make it festive for like Halloween. Here's all the ingredients. Flour, you have the cake batter. I'm just doing the white cake mix. And in here I have sprinkles, milk, and vanilla, melted butter. Found these little like funfetti chocolate chips that looked pretty festive to me. I just see green and red, so that's why I'm using them. And then sugar. Then you're gonna add most of this in a mixing bowl. Mix in a large bowl your cake batter, flour, sugar. Then you're gonna take your butter and the sprinkles, and you're gonna whisk all of this together. And add the sprinkles before you get ready to mix it, because I, like a dummy, I put it in with the butter and vanilla, or I put it in with the milk and the vanilla, just getting my ingredients ready, and it turned the batter purple. It's not gonna really matter, so we're still fine. We're fine. Everything's fine. Okay, I'm back with a little baking update. So, not only did I mess up with the sprinkles, in my head, on the first ingredients that I was gathering up, I was like, let me double the recipe. And then I think by the end of the recipe, I forgot that I was doubling the recipe. So the mixture was a little too wet to where it wasn't holding its shape. So I just kept adding flour and some of the cake mixture. They're in the fridge right now. Just melt the chocolate and dip them in there, then do the sprinkles. But next I'm going to do pretzel bites. Still enjoying my drink, and I'm eating all the jalapeno chips and dip. I'm using the butter snap ones. For the Hershey Kisses, I'm using these sugar cookie kisses. These are so good, you guys. Let me know if you've tried these this holiday season, because I can't stop eating them. They are delicious. It's white chocolate, and then they have like those little like crunchy, like the crunchiness is in there. They're so good. Stop and Shop was like out of Christmas baking ingredients, so I found what I found. The M&Ms that I'm going to top the pretzels off, I'm using these white chocolate sugar cookie M&Ms. They have like a lot of like dry crunchiness inside. That's what I'm gonna do now, while the truffles, and I'm using quotations lightly, are chilling in the fridge. Lined the pretzels. We put the Hershey Kisses on there, preheated the oven to 250 degrees. So we're gonna let that warm up. And then I'm just placing this in there for a few minutes just for it to melt. Then you put on the M&Ms and you let cool for 2 minutes. I've actually never made these. I've had them a gazillion times. Pretty easy, so if you ever wanna do baking and you're like, what can I do? I want to do some baking. Just make these little pretzel guys. Truffles are still cooling in the fridge, but I think I'm gonna start melting the chocolate for that. Also, I'm just using my oven rack because I only have one baking pan. That's supposed to only go in for 4 minutes. These are the truffles. I pulled them out. Do not judge. I know they look crazy. I'm hoping with the icing they'll look better. It's fine. It's fine. I went ahead and melted my chocolate chips. Doesn't this look delicious? This reminds me of the Dunkin' the dipping, the icing. Just washed the dishes, and I put all of the stuff in the fridge for now just to let it cool off. We'll do like a little taste test, although I'm not very confident in how they came out. Sure, I'll do my holiday baking a little bit sooner and maybe have like a clearer space, clearer mind. What's the update on Santa?
Santa is in Egypt, heading for Luxor, Egypt. He just arrived, delivered so far 3,021 million gifts.
Getting ready to watch Christmas Vacation with the hottie Chevy Chase. I grabbed some candles because the other ones are burnt out, so now I'm moving on to, this one is Be Merry Cinnamon Ginger Snap. We just woke up from our Christmas Eve nap. Just took out Raven. I'll give you an update on my little pretzel bites. They're almost gone.
They're delicious.
They turned out great. The truffles are in the fridge. Then one of our little eggy things. Wow, they're really bringing it. Just another magnet. This might be just an eraser.
Good Guys enamel pin.
Oh, that's fun. I feel like, you think that's the best one you've gotten so far?
Probably.
So the movie I'm gonna watch is This Christmas, starring many, many talented people. Idris Elba, Regina King. This was one of the last movies that I watched with my mom when she was alive, and so I've made it a tradition to watch it every Christmas Eve now. And I love it so much. It makes me feel like I'm part of a family. So if you haven't watched it, I highly recommend it. It's really good. And then Joe's movie is
Muppet Christmas Carol.
yesterday when we went to TJ Maxx. They were like only a few bucks. So I went ahead and snagged them. I kind of like to get new ornaments every year, so you kind of like just build your little ornament collection. I thought these were really beautiful. Red, and they have little beads on them. They're very sparkly. And then these ones are really pretty too. I just want a dress that's made out of this. Kind of looks like Rudolph's nose. Or Pennywise's nose. What do you think of these ornaments, Raven? Aren't they pretty? Are you ready to see your gift, Raven?
Hurry up! Raven, Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
How exciting!
What are you doing? Get in your bed!
It's pretty big. You love it? It's Christmas morning. Oh, my head hurts so bad. I think I was like grinding my teeth last night. Santa came to visit. He drank the milk, cookies, and then also the reindeer ate the carrot. He left this note. It says, Joe, Sam, and Raven, thank you for leaving the treats. My reindeer loved the carrots. And oh wow, those cookies were some of the best I've had. Merry Christmas, love, Santa. A little teary eye because I just felt like a little kid again. That little Christmas magic. I don't think I had coffee yesterday, so I'm getting some headaches. We watched This Christmas last night. I cried, obviously. There were like moments where I had like flashbacks of my childhood with my mom. So I feel like she was around me certain times last night. It was just like weird thoughts that I had never thought of. And usually I'm an overthinker naturally. Life has kind of made me that way, unfortunately. What was I gonna say? But I'll try to keep so many memories of my head and like my childhood and of my mom and of my grandparents, just any memory that made me happy. I try to go through and like play them in my head every now and then so I don't forget. I feel like that helps. Does anyone else ever do that? Like you recap all of the good memories, like when your childhood, like you go through the phases and you think about it and you like just relive those memories in your head, like the ones you want to hang on to, you know? Hey guys, so I didn't do an outro on Christmas when I was filming this, so I'm doing the outro now. You guys had a warm, happy holiday. I hope you were able to take some time to yourself and do a little bit of something that makes you happy and brings you love and shows love to yourself. Really appreciate you watching today's video. Also, be sure to hit the notifications bell. Sometimes YouTube doesn't always notify you when there's a new video out. I appreciate you for watching today's video. Thanks for hanging out with me. I love you guys so much. I hope this video finds you having a Halloween happy kind of day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!